Hello everyone, welcome to SolveStream. In this video, I'll be introducing chapter number 13, Statistics to you all and formulae that are involved in this. So in this chapter, we will be discussing mainly about the measures of central tendencies, which are the mean, median. In this chapter, we will be discussing mean, median and mode of grouped data. So first of all, let us discuss mean. So to find out mean, there are three ways. The first method is the direct method. The formula that are used in direct method is x bar equals sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi, where this fi are the frequencies and mid values of the class intervals. Second method is the assumed mean method, and the formula is x bar equals a plus sigma fi di by sigma. Denominator is same here. This is sigma fi here in this method, and this is also sigma fi in this method. So we have a here. A means assumed mean, and this di is found by doing xi minus a. Third method is the step deviation method. So the formula is given by x bar equals a plus summation fi ui divided by summation fi. So you have sigma fi in all the denominators. And what is this ui? Ui is found by doing x a divided by h. So a is again assumed a mean here. The difference between the direct assumed and the step deviation method is that this direct method is applied when the values are compared to assumed, and the step deviation method, this method is used when the values are smaller. When the values gets bigger, the values of xi, the class intervals gets bigger, you can use assumed mean method, and if they're still bigger, then you can use step deviation method. So now we'll discuss mode. So the formula to find out mode of a grouped data is given by mode equals L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2, and this whole thing should get multiplied by h. So what are this L, f1, f2? We'll discuss that now. L is the lower limit of the class of the modal class. Lower limit of modal class. So we'll find out the modal class from the question, and L will be the modal lower limit of that modal class. And what is h? This h is a size of the class interval. The size of class interval is the frequency of the modal class. So after finding the modal class, we should write f1 as its frequency. Frequency of modal class. Then f0 is the frequency of the class preceding the modal class. Okay, so this is f1 is the frequency of the modal class, and this is the one preceding the modal class. So you can understand, like, if you understand this as 0, since 0 comes before 1, so this frequency will be the one before the frequency of the modal class. Then we have f2. This is the frequency of the class succeeding the modal class. So it is the frequency of the class after the modal class. After the succeeding the modal class. And this was about mode. So the median formula is given by median equals to L plus n by 2 minus Cf, and the whole thing is divided by f, and this whole thing must be multiplied with h. So again here L is the lower limit of the median class now. Now in the mode it was the lower limit of the modal class. Here cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Preceding the median class. And finally we have h. So h is the size of the class interval. So this was about mean, median and mode. And finally we have one formula which is the empirical relationship between these three. So the relationship formula which is given by